Okay, people, it's been just 10 minutes and already I have had thousands and millions and trillions of friend requests and comments and people wanting to, give me record deals and, making me more famous than Richard Branson and shit. So what I'm gonna show you guys is something that no other glitchers know. Not one, not fucking any. I'm gonna show you guys how to glitch Halo free inside your Xbox 360 console. So first, what you gotta do is you gotta give the faceplate a little wiggle around like this, and you'll feel your Xbox falling over. Now that's that done, what you gotta do is lift off the frying pan. That's that done. Next, I'm gonna show you guys what I gotta do. This is an Xbox 360 console from the inside. What you gotta do right now, guys, is you gotta wiggle around the disk drive a little bit. Get that little fucker out of there. Come on, you fucking noob. You worthless piece of fuck. Ass! Okay, that's what I gotta do. That's that done. Look at the size of that exhaust fume in that thing, man. That's mental. Now, what you gotta do is get your Halo free disc, a classic fat-ass American noob game who has no life and sits on his Xbox all day eating McDonald's. You gotta fucking stick it in there, like so. Now, don't expect this thing to bounce. It's not gonna bounce. You gotta really force that fucker in there. And bring your console back down, like so. As you can see, Halo is briefly inside there. I did a good job right there. Next, what you gotta do is put your faceplate right back on there. You gotta get it right back on there. And then put your little frying panny thingy right back on there. And as you can see, it's like a brand new Xbox right there. This is Halo free glitcher out. I hope you enjoyed my second latest video, and I'll see you in Call of Duty 4, kicking all your asses. Goodbye, fat ass Americans. Goodbye. Uncle Sam out.